अच्छा वो क्या कहते हैं 31 का आंकड़ा है क्या?
36 का
36 का जय तेरा दफ्तरी का 36 का आंकड़ा है क्या?
थोड़ा सा आगे हो जाए।
आंकड़ा
क्यों हुआ बाबा, ऐसे छोटी सी जिंदगी है
नहीं,
यार।
छोटी होने दो यार, लेकिन फिर सामने आदमी भी छोटा नहीं चाहिए।
कितना अच्छा लग
क्या
रहा
हुआ?
है जी।
नहीं
एकदम अच्छा तेल गोल्डन डाल करके नमाज बना कर
दे दो।
तू हरी
हम वालों के
अरे मेरे घर पे गर्म लेके आएगा।
कर क्या फोटो कर रहा है काम मेरे से
मैं नीचे जाऊँ क्या एक्स्ट्रा?
नहीं
मैं वैसा रहा था रिफ्लेक्ट
Hi, this is Pooja. I want to wish all my viewers a very happy and a safe Deepavali. And all the Diwalis that I've spent with my family all this while have been quite memorable. So I can't cope up with one Diwali and say that ye achhi thi wo nahi. All the Diwalis that I have spent in my life have been pretty nice.
2 years in the industry now.
Less than 3.
It's 2.5 years.
2.5
What
years.
has been
2.
the experience? When from day one to now,
Yeah.
have you changed as an actress? Which
हाँ जी, जब मैंने शुरू किया था एक्टिंग तब से येस, बिकॉज आप इम्प्रूव करते हैं हर एक पिक्चर के साथ, आप जो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रोल्स करते हैं उससे आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. एंड बिकॉज पहले ये होता है कि आपको डर लगता है कभी कोई डांस वगैरह आ जाए, लेकिन अभी यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू अ डांस नंबर. सो यू कैन से दैट एज एन एक्ट्रेस येस यू इम्प्रूव, बट एज अ पर्सन आई एम जस्ट द सेम पर्सन. सो
okay, and which has been the major influence?
इन
Who
टर्म्स
has
ऑफ
been, in terms of your acting career, major landmarks in your
इन मी
meeting people, like the person who has influenced you.
you mean as an
Director,
actress?
yeah.
Or who's my ideal actress and stuff like that? That's
No,
what you
not
mean.
like that. In your experience, the person who has met, who has influenced you, could be the Mr. Priyadarshan or anybody.
Yeah, when I'm acting in a film, let's say जो director हैं, जो actor हैं, जो actress हैं साथ में मेरे, उनसे you do learn the good points. तो yes, आज तक जो so far जितने भी actors के साथ मैंने काम किया है, तो I think Anil has been quite professional. You learn the professionalism from Anil. Tabu has been sweet, Priyan has been nice, Sunil Shetty has been very nice. So you learn the good points, you see how charged they are. Ideal as such तो कोई नहीं रहा, but yes, to work with such nice people, you do learn a lot.
What has been most impressive thing about Anil? People say he's very professional and very.
He's very dedicated. That's the best thing about him.
Tabu?
She's a fabulous actress and she's a very nice person. So, you know.
Okay, what has been okay of the heroes that you've met?
Yes.
Or anybody you've met, you haven't met, who has impressed you the most?
In terms of see, there are too many people. See, the very fact कि आप इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं और इतने सालों तक सस्टेन कर रहे हैं is quite impressive itself. But I can only talk about the people that I have met or I have known in close quarters. Sunil is a very decent human being. Anil is nice they are all nice basically. When it comes to being in films, मैं तो उनको set पे मिलती हूँ. I don't know what their life is after the set, but जितनी देर तक interaction रहती है, they are very nice to you. So as such, there's nobody like ideal, like I said before. But it's nice working with them because कोई hardship नहीं देते हैं वो आपको when you're working.
As anybody who gives you hardship.
Hardship in the sense that they'll try and come up with nice ideas so that आपकी performance better हो, or they'll try and help you if you're not getting a shot, okay, and stuff like that. Basically, I'm sure everybody must be doing it.
Priyadarshan, people say, as an institution, as a learning experience working with them.
Right.
And you've been fortunate to work with them in 2 films.
Right.
Can you tell us in detail about both the experiences?
See, my first was Virasat, where I think he brought out quite a few expressions that normally I'm grateful that मेरी पहली picture उनके साथ मैंने की, because yes, he is a learning institution by himself. वो explain बहुत अच्छी तरह करते हैं. उनको मालूम होता है कि मुझे आज स्क्रिप्ट ऐसा है और मुझे आज के दिन मुझे ये चाहिए और मुझे इस लेवल पे परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए. मतलब he knows what he wants. So many times जब आप सेट पे जाते हैं और आपको डायलॉग मिलता है तो आपको ये नहीं पता होता आगे क्या हो रहा है, इसके पीछे क्या हुआ है. बट व्हेन यू एक्सप्लेन प्रॉपर्ली, इट्स लाइक you're like a student. Any actor or actress is like a student in front of the director. अगर teacher explains to you properly, then you get good marks, otherwise you don't. And I consider myself कि I am a director's artist. I am as good or as bad as the director is, and I leave myself completely on the director. मतलब it's his forte to take out the best if he can.
There
So-
are a lot of expectations also because it was your first film, and you had to live up to a certain thing. Did you find that challenging, or did Priyadarshan tell you like these are your limitations, these are your assets, like the best use it?
See, acting में कोई limitations नहीं होते हैं. In front of the camera they say you should be bare. कोई इनहिबिशंस नहीं होने चाहिए. तो लिमिटेशंस अगर आपको पहले ही बोल दिया गया कि आपने इससे ज़्यादा नहीं रोना है, तो यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि भाई तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारे दिमाग में यही चल रहा है कि मैं और नहीं रो सकती. सो आपको फ्री कर देना चाहिए, डायरेक्टर को, आर्टिस्ट को एकदम फ्री कर देना चाहिए, एक्सप्लेन करके कि ये सीन है अभी, आप आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू इट लाइक दिस. अब इफ आप में कोई और आइडियाज़ हैं तो आप पुट इन करके यू गिव इट योर बेस्ट. So I think all the directors should be like this, and most of the directors are like that. So
You were unlucky with the next 2 films. What went wrong?
no, my next film did pretty well. Bhai did very well. The other films, see, जब आप फिल्म साइन करते हो तो आपको नहीं मालूम होता है कि ये हिट होगी, ये फ्लॉप होगी. जब भी आप फिल्म साइन करते हो तो आपको यही लगता है कि सारी हिट होंगी. But sometimes it's very hard. 900 million people जो है, जो हमारी ऑडियंस है, उनको काफ़ी they are not stupid. उनको जब तक real या something nice या something light अच्छी ना लगे, so I think hits and flops are not in our hand. You have to do your work well. That's basically the attitude.
What's a day in your life like? Working day and a holiday, do you say?
Work day is जब आप उठते हो तो you're in a hurry. I'm always late. So I have to dive out of my bed and dive into my clothes and go to the studio. फिर वहाँ काम करके you come back and you get so tired कि कुछ करने का और टाइम नहीं होता और एनर्जी भी नहीं होती. You come back and you sleep and you prepare for the next day. But जो छुट्टी होती है, which I wait for, I get up आराम से. I have to see one movie in that day. वर्किंग डे नॉर्मली अगर 7 बजे की शिफ्ट होती है तो मेरे को तो 2-3 अलार्म क्लॉक जगाती हैं, बिकॉज मैं एक अलार्म क्लॉक जब देती हूँ आई पुट इट बैक एंड देन आई गो टू स्लीप. नहीं, आई एम ऑलवेज लेट, सो आई रश. शूटिंग करने के बाद व्हेन आई कम होम आई रिमूव माई मेकअप एंड आई गो टू स्लीप. दैट्स माई वर्किंग डे. जब छुट्टी होती है तो आई गेट अप आराम से, नो अलार्म क्लॉक्स. I'll see an English film in my house, and if I have time, I'll go for my workout, and I'll eat good food and I'll sleep again. I'm learning jazz class. I'm doing jazz, so उसमें there's an instructor here. So if I have time, so I go for that, or I do plain aerobics, stretching, or I go for a jog. And if my mummy's there, I do yoga with her sometimes.
When you go jogging, do people jog behind you because they
No.
recognize you?
No.
Where do you go jogging?
I go to places where people don't jog behind me.
How do you manage that?
Well, there are
I've always
places.
wondered how celebrities jog. They must be
No, there is a very big ground in front of my house which is empty. So then, if you go on times when people are not coming, then nobody really cares.
How do you take care of your complexion? Beauty tips?
Beauty tips.
Think about it and tell us now.
Nothing much. Complexion, nothing. I eat a lot of salads, curd. ऐसे पर्टिकुलर बिकॉज जब आप शूटिंग कर रहे हो, आप आउटडोर पे गए हो तो सैलड्स तो मिलते नहीं है, कर्ड तो मिलता नहीं, सो जो खाने को मिलता है यू जस्ट हैव दैट. तो इट्स जस्ट दैट यू जस्ट आई रिमूव माई मेकअप वेरी केयरफुली. मैं ध्यान में रखती हूँ कि कुछ मेकअप रह ना जाए बिकॉज मेकअप ब्लॉक्स योर स्किन. एंड I drink water and I try and not have too many chocolates. That's it. लेकिन अगर मेरे को चॉकलेट दिख जाए तो मैं अगर एक बाइट लूँगी तो मेरे को पूरे 2 खत्म करने पड़ेंगे, वो पूरे बार्स. So I try and be little bit restricted when chocolate. That's it. So
What's the best compliment you received?
that you give positive energy.
Yeah.
that you know, क्योंकि life is so short and बॉम्बे में आई हैव नोटिस्ड कि एवरीबडी इज सो बिजी, नोबडी हैज टाइम. सबके मुंह में रौनक नहीं है. You know, there's no happiness, there's no sorrow, there's just frustration on everybody's face. और ऐसे माहौल में if somebody is smiling and is happy and doesn't put tension to you, you know, जिसके साथ रह के आपको अच्छा लगे कि you know, so that's like positive vibe, and that's what I've heard from people, that you know, you give positive vibes in the sense that you have a peace of mind. Probably that's probably showing on your face. So that's what.
Okay. You're from Pune, right?
No, my daddy's in the army, so I have traveled all over the country, but I did my college from Pune.
On a bad day when things are going wrong,
Mm-hmm.
how do you feel? What do you do to fight it?
What do I do to fight it? The first thing I do is my mommy
You
ko.
have to repeat the question because it will cut you.
Okay. On a bad day, when everything is going wrong, how do I fight it? First thing I do is मैं phone उठा के मम्मी को phone करती हूँ. Mommy, you know, this has happened. You know, everybody is against me. Nobody loves me, and this and that. When I give her सारी मेरी problems to her, no, then she comes up with a solution. Then she'll tell me everything is going to be okay. But my first thing is I give a call to my mom or dad, and I face it up. Whatever. If it's bad, it has to pass. This too shall pass is my is my motto then.
So your best friends are your parents.
Yeah, and my family. I mean, my brothers, and I know they are there always for me.
What has been your ambition? Are you working towards it, or you know, like how serious are you about?
क्योंकि मैं अभी फिल्म्स में हूँ और मेरे को 2 साल हो गए हैं, और माय अभी का एम्बिशन ये है कि आई शुड डू सम फिल्म्स जो 10 साल या 12 साल तक लोग याद करके बोलें कि यस, यू नो, दीज वर द गुड फिल्म्स दैट द इंडियन इंडस्ट्री हैड एंड आई शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ देम. I basically want to excel in films. That is my aim right now. I mean, if you ask me 4 years from now, it might change.
Where do you see yourself 15 years from today?
Ooh,
10
15.
maybe, if you can't think that.
I can't even think of 10. That's all from now. I see myself contented with whatever I'm doing. I see myself in a state of bliss, happy peace of mind. Normal human being.